This presentation will be reviewing the software-based program Google Docs from a functionality and technological and social competencies perspective. This presentation is for the purposes of the AEDT 1120 course, submitted for Janet Simmons, created by Erin Belisle, Cassandra Britton, Alexandra Down, Jennifer Paquette, and Christian Xavier. Throughout this video, we will examine the history of Google Docs and how it came to be, share our thesis statement, followed by support on competencies developed by students through use of the software, before wrapping up with our perspective and references. Google Docs was formally created in February of 2007 from a collaboration of Ritly and Google Spreadsheets. Ritly was a web-based processor created by the software company Upstartle in 2005, and Google Spreadsheets was launched in 2006 as the first component of Google Docs. Google Docs was innovated for collaboration purposes and to enhance the ease of sharing documents amongst users. The free web-based application is comprised of four main application components: documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and drawings, all which may be created, edited, and stored online. It is a tool that can provide synchronous and asynchronous collaboration, allowing students to edit and share work simultaneously. By nature, the service provides a backup and revision history to ensure work is not lost. Perhaps most important of all, Google Docs is completely free at the lower service tiers. All of these things can increase efficiency for users when collaborating. As a result of our group collaborating and findings, our thesis statement is as follows. Google Docs is a useful platform for educators to increase their students' technological and social competencies. Google Docs is a tool that improves access to information and social competencies through technology that utilizes asynchronous and synchronous collaboration. This statement will be supported and further discussed throughout.
Mrs. Smith is a university professor who uses Google Docs as a teaching and communication platform. She uses the tools and functions of Google Docs to access information, share files, and collaborate with students. This scenario will demonstrate how Google Docs requires the user to have technological competency skills through file sharing, editing for formative assessment, and editing for summative assessment. It will further address the need for strong social competency skills while using Google Docs for the functions of file sharing, formative editing, and formative feedback.
Access to information. Computer-based technologies may be used as information access tools. Within a few years, virtually all technical information will be stored online. By connecting to the internet, educators and students gain access to a new world of various forms of information on virtually infinite topics, as well as tools that can be used to aid in education. Below are access to information tools that are beneficial to educators to use. 1. File sharing. Second, editing, formative assessment. 3. Summative assessment.
Created using Powtoon.